Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel once again. It's a girl for here. Today's tutorial will be on how to make this structured sleeve. So it can be styled in any form, but the one I'll be making in this tutorial is from one armhole to the other. That is the front armhole to the back armhole. So this tutorial can be used to achieve any form or any style of structured sleeve you want. Now, before we get started, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now, what you'll be needing for this sleeve, to construct this sleeve, is your boning. This is very important. Boning. So this is a plastic boning. I would advise you get a plastic boning. That is, you can run your needle through it, and you also need either stay or this tutorial I'll be making use of this bust pad. That is what I have. Do you get? So that is what is available. So that's what I will be making use of. So you can also make use of this or make use of stay. So guys, let's get started. I have two pieces of fabric cut out right here. Can you see? I have the width of 7 inches and the length of 17 inches. Now this is inclusive of all the allowances I will need. Now the first thing I will do is to shape out the part that will be in the armhole. And how I did that is this. You can see how I folded it. And I will measure 2 inches on both sides. And also 2 inches on this side. Now you can leave this part like this. You can skip this part and just split whatever you have right here. But I want to shape it out. So I'll just cut it out this way. So this is what I have. Now, what I'll now do is to cut out lining for one part. So guys, this is what I have now. Can you see? I've cut out lining for one part. Now what I'll do now is to go to the sewing machine and stitch just 1/4 inch this way, and also I'll stitch it this way, then also make a compartment for the boning. Now this boning is 1/2 inch, so the compartment I'll be making will be like 1/4 inch. Do you get it now? First you will sew your lining to your fabric this way. I'll sew it on both sides. So I'll now create another compartment that I will pass this boning through. So I'll go and do that now. So this is the outcome. I use this stitch to join this lining to the fabric. Can you see this black stitch? While this orange stitch, can you see this point, is to create the compartment for the boning. So this is where we are going to pass the boning through. So you see that any stitch at all will be showing on the wrong side. This will be the wrong side. So I'll go and use this now to turn it in. Can you see? Right sides facing each other. So I'll turn it this way to this point and do the same for the other side. I'll just stitch on the 1/4 inch I used in joining the lining as well. So I'll go and do that now. I've attached, can you see, the right side to the wrong side. Now I'll turn it out in this manner. I'll just turn it out this way. I'll use this safety pin. So guys, this is the look that we have now. So this is the right side, while this is the wrong side. This side will be at the outer part like this. Can you see it now? Now I'm not going to fix the boning in. So this is the compartment where you pass the boning through. So since it's facing this way, I want the flower to face up, so it's going to be like this. I'll just try as much as possible to pass it in the way the curve of this boning is. Can you see it? So since it's going this way, I'll just push it in. Can you see how easy it goes in? Can you see it? So I'll also pass it to the lower part too. Now this is what we have. Can you see? If there's going to be any bulge at all, it will not be on the right side. Can you see it there? So it will be right here. Okay. Now I'll take it to the sewing machine. So if you want to have more pleats, you can just make this end to be the same measurement like what you have here. But this is how I want it. So I'll just take it to the sewing machine and just split it this way. Can you see? And do the same thing for this hand too. And then fix it to the armhole area. So guys, I've fixed the first part of the structural sleeve. Can you see how it looks? So this main sleeve is a long sleeve right here. So how I did that is the part I want to explain now. I just measured 4 inches from the shoulder area right here. Measured 4 inches and gave it a notch. That is around the armhole. So it is this part that I will now pin down this sleeve. Can you see it? I'll pin it right side, facing the right side of your fabric this way. Can you see? Very good, because I want this flower to be standing, so I'll pin it down like this. And I will also do the same thing for the back, right side facing the right side. So I'll just pin it down this way. So you can just be creative with this part as well. See how you feel you want to do it. Pin it down. Also pin down to the front. You see that notched part. So I will also pin it down. So now I will take it to, this is my second sleeve, and by the time I'll turn this to the wrong side, I will also fix my sleeve all around it this way, and we'll have something like this. So that is that on how to make a structured sleeve. If this tutorial has been helpful, kindly give this video a giant thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.